compactor, have the driver with his lift cart bring your pallet and your compactor to the curb of the sidewalk, where they're generally about the same height. At that time, he could drop his cart and he can take off. The tools you're going to need are tin snips, claw hammer, 2 half-inch wrenches, and a pair of scissors. Generally, what you're going to do from here now is you're going to take the scissors and you're going to be cutting the plastic. With your tin snips, you're gonna snip your strapping. At this time, you're gonna take your claw hammer and you're gonna take your wheel block off. At this time, you're gonna be standing up and you're gonna be taking your lift cart off. What you generally want to do is just put this aside for now and bring it inside of your restaurant. What you're going to do at this point is you're going to open up the door, the L door, and the load door. Unlock both of your wheel locks. Now your wheel locks are unlocked. We're going to push the compactor onto the sidewalk. Get in front. Get in front. And we'll meet you inside. Pet compactor, and you're going to end up cutting your 2 tie wraps that are holding your line. Your plug has to go into a designated line and make sure that you have no extension cord hooked up to it. Now you're coming to the front of the compactor. You're going to be looking at the screen of the PLC. If your screen doesn't light up, turn your emergency stop and it's going to pop out, and then you're going to have your GTS enter code. At this time, we're going to look at your locking casters. Make sure your locking casters on both sides are on a 45-degree angle, and make sure that they're locked to allow the tires for the lift cart to slide right underneath your compactor. On the side is your door latch. Open up your panel latch, open the door, all the way open. At this time, you're going to take out your hooks for the lift cart. You're going to take your 2 bags out of the lift cart. Also in going to be your warranty. In here is all the information that you have, that you want for your compactor. Everything from operation to troubleshooting and parts. Read it from cover to cover. This here will let you understand everything about this unit. At this time, you're going to close the load door and the L door. Making sure that you lift your locking bar, pull it up, and closing the door. Now managers, you got to understand, with these new hires that you're going to be hiring, make sure that they understand about this locking bar, because if they try to close this door without lifting the locking bar, you're going to do damage to the hinges and to the load door itself. So please keep that in mind. At this time, you're going to crank the pulley. You're going to take your lift cart over to your compactor. Pick up, just so the dump lever catches on the lip of the stainless steel bin. At that time, you're going to take one of your bags out, and you're going to put it on your bag rack. Rip off one bag. Roll the excess up on the outside. Put your waste bin back in, and you're going to pull your dump lever. Take your cart back out. Close the doors. Grab the unit by two hands and set your bin all the way back. Remember to lift your locking bar, closing your load door. Up on your PLC, you're going to press 11, 9, 4, enter, and 1. Your unit is compacting. Anytime you open this door, for safety reasons, all operations will stop. Compactor will start running again once the door is closed. Your compaction plate will go all the way to the bottom, and it'll stay down there about 7 seconds to allow the air to escape out of the bags. compaction plate is coming back up. At this time, anywhere in the area between 12 to 15 bags will be combined depending on the density of your trash. This unit combines 1,500 pounds per square inch, which will be approximately about 150 pounds of waste in your waste tray. At this time, the bin is full. Up on top, it'll say bin full, empty bin. Take your cart, slide it all the way in. And we'll meet you out by the dumpster.